We have number 5. A compact disk is the region between two concentric circles with an integer inner radius r and an integer outer radius s, with r less than s. Given the area of the compact disk is equal to an integer times 8 pi, compute the number of possible ordered pairs rs with 1 less than or equal to r and s less than or equal to 100. All right, so we have these two concentric disks, right? And we're trying to find the area in between them. And we know that area is equal to pi times s squared minus r squared, which is equal to pi times s plus r times s minus r. And once we have that, we know that s plus r times s minus r is congruent to 0 mod 8. And we know that because this area right here is a multiple of 8 pi. Now, for it to be congruent, this quantity on the left to be congruent to 0 mod 8, then both s plus r and s minus r have to be even. So that means that they're either both even or both odd. So the first case that we're going to consider is if s minus r is divisible by 4, then inherently, because s plus r is also even, we then have our condition met. So if s minus r is congruent to 0 mod 4, then that means that s and r are congruent mod 4. So in this case, for the remainders mod 4, we can choose 0, 1, 2, or 3. So that gives us 4 choices. And then for each choice of 0, 1, 2, or 3, we then pick 2 of the 25. So that's 25, pick 2 for the values of s and r. And since s has to be greater, we automatically know which one's s and which one's r. So this gives us 1,200 cases. Now, our second case is when s minus r is congruent to 2 mod 4. Now, that means that s plus r has to be equal to 0, equivalent to 0 mod 4. And when this happens, we know that one of s and one of r, one of each, have to be equivalent to 1 mod 4 and then 3 mod 4. So how many ways are there to choose them? Well, there's 25 ways to choose an integer that's 1 mod 4 between 1 and 100 inclusive, and the same for 3 mod 4. So we simply choose one of each, and then we denote, again, the larger one to be s. So this gives us a total of 25 squared is equal to 625 ways to choose that. And then, these being our 2 cases, to find the total number of ordered pairs rs that work, we add them together to get 1,200 plus 625, which is 1,825 ordered pairs.
Hi, everybody. This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.